puppylinux distros will try to load up mode setting graphics driver, which is somewhat generic. And if you have an Intel graphics card, you may want to install Intel driver. Probably the easiest is just to go ahead and type in this terminal command and see if you have a Intel. So I do have an Intel graphics. But if you look at my QuickSetUp screen, it tends to install mode setting video driver, and I want to show you how to convert that into an Intel video driver, which is one I prefer. Now we'll log out, and then we're going to get to exit to prompt. Click, and then on the bottom on the left there is a cursor. So what you want to do is xorgwizard. It says right there, or right above that cursor, what to type. So you want to do that, and then you're going to get to this screen. And what you want to do is get to set video driver and OK. And then the next screen here, you want to go to specify on the bottom and OK again. And then here you want to type in Intel, all lowercase. OK is set to Intel OK. And then done OK. Now you're going to have a little cursor again, the terminal. On the left lower corner again, there you want to type in xwin, and then enter. Then you're gonna get to the your screen, and then here you want to quick setup screen, and then I'm gonna make it larger so you can see. Now it's been changed to Intel video driver.